Welcome home. We are in Tarpon Springs, which is a very beautiful, quaint community famous for the sponge docks and a lot of culture, the Epiphany celebration. We're very close to the Gulf of Mexico. I'll show you. You have views of the Gulf of Mexico from this home. And this is a home that was custom built in 1974. So you're going to see a lot of really unique and special design choices and finishes in this home. I'm going to take you through to see everything that we've got to offer here. There's over 4,000 square feet of living area, so bear with me as we do this tour. And you will notice as you pan around on this tour that you'll see these beautifully decorative detailed ceilings throughout. We have walls. Actually the exterior is all concrete block, masonry block, but it's been finished with stucco that makes it look like brick. Just beautiful. You can see we've got brick accent walls here in the dining room, and look at that gorgeous chandelier. So this house has been maintained top notch, so that all of the original finishes in this home are still in great shape. The tile floors are in great condition. We've got beautiful wood cabinets here in this kitchen, lots of space. Yes, there's some remodeling that I'm sure most will want to do, or everyone will want to do, but it gives you a canvas that really allows you to just get creative with what you want to do with this house. We've got a gas stove. I'll show you where the propane tank is for the gas appliances. The stove and the dryer are both gas. And here's a beautiful back family room, wood fireplace, sliders out to the back porch, and that's actually where the propane tanks are. We've got built-ins for storage galore throughout this house. And the attic storage access is incredible. So we're going to start upstairs, and then we'll come back down and see the rest of the downstairs. But lovely spiral staircase with this iron railing. We have a mural wall here that is showcased with that nice light. And again with the brick decrement on the walls throughout. Here's a skylight right here in the hallway, so you don't necessarily have to turn on all of the lights. You can just have the natural light from the skylight. There's a couple of skylights in the house. Here's one of the guest bedrooms. We've got a nice cork board, so if you have kids and you need to be able to put stuff on the walls, you're all set to do that. Generous sized closet. Really neat angled wall here in this bedroom, so that's very fun. The next bedroom here, similar closet, and you're probably noticing that there's an intercom system as well. So then to this back bedroom, and this is the primary suite. So this is a nice spacious bedroom. There's multiple closets. We've got the two closets over here, and then this room, this area here, was used as a sewing room, hobby room. It could be another closet. And then we have this amazing attic space. Now, I'm going to tell you that this is the biggest and most spacious of the attic areas, but there are attic spaces like this with completely finished floors throughout this house. You will not be lacking storage. Now, that room up there could actually be converted into a room if you needed more space. It is 4,033 square feet already, living area, so you can probably make this work, but you know, sometimes people want extra rooms. So here is another set of closets for this primary suite. We've got built-in closet storage, so that's beautiful, and a huge vanity area. Absolutely gorgeous. The bathroom has the two sinks, tub shower combo, a nice window that actually, if you look out this way, you can see through the trees, you can see some of the Gulf of Mexico out there. So that's a lot of fun too. hopefully you're getting the feel for how, what good shape everything is in. It's really remarkable how well this house has been maintained. So we step out onto this upper deck area. This is unfinished. It can be finished into a beautiful, beautiful walkout deck, and you're overlooking the pool here. So I've heard rumors that the children who grew up here used to dive into that pool from this upper area. So I don't know if I'd be brave enough to do that, but certainly this provides an opportunity for that kind of fun. Huge detached garage there, and I'll show you that in a minute, and it has a workshop, an air-conditioned workshop in it. You're noticing in the back the concrete wall, so there's some good privacy set up there around this property. This is half an acre, which is a large parcel for this area. As you can imagine, being on the Gulf of Mexico, this is a very sought-after area with great outdoor activities, fishing, all kinds of wonderful things that life in this area affords you. Guest bathroom here. And we've got the tub shower combo in this vanity. We've got a linen closet right off of the guest bath. And then this back room, this is a beautiful room, again with closets, a huge space. This is one of the bedrooms, but could be used as a flex space for a lot of things. Gorgeous bank of windows. And again, we've got the Gulf of Mexico right outside of these windows. So you do get some glimpses of the water from here as well. There's another attic access point there, a little harder to get to. And then we have this hidden attic access as well. So throughout this house, there are neat little hidden doors that open up and allow you to access the attic space. If I can hit the switch here, see that? Lots of space for storage. So that's incredible. There's another one of these access points in the guest bathroom. I'm not going to show that to you right now because I feel like we need to get outside and actually check out what we have out there as well. So I don't want to keep taking time to cram you into the attic spaces. But I want you to know that those exist, because that's a lovely, lovely thing to have. This coat closet right off of the foyer has a switch that operates the fountain out front. So there's some really neat landscaping features to this house as well. So we'll go back through the kitchen and we see the pantry here. Nice pantry space. To our right, then, we have the laundry room. This space is unfinished, but easily could be finished if you wanted to, and you have extra storage here for the laundry room. There's also additional wallpaper here, 4 rolls of wallpaper, so that could be used if you wanted to finish these unfinished walls. And there's 2 rolls of this same wallpaper that's on the back wall. So I think that would make a really nice room there if you just put the wallpaper up on the rest of those exposed walls. This is an extra storage space. Again, this is under air conditioned, so it is a climate controlled area. And we've got the extra refrigerator here. We've got more storage. The water heater is here, and an additional under the staircase storage that actually goes deep back in the back. So, I mean, there's just so much storage here. It's remarkable. So we head then to the side of the house. We have another guest bathroom, and this one has a shower and sink. And then this room was used as an office, comes right off of the carport. So you walk in through this room and then past the laundry room right to the kitchen with your groceries. Here we have another space that's really set up as an office with the built-in cabinetry and desk. So an extension to the office. And then an additional suite. So this bedroom has its own ensuite bathroom as well. So if you have guests that you want them to have their own separate bathroom space that's attached to their bedroom, this is an excellent setup. They will be very comfortable. If you have an in-law situation, excellent setup, because this room is right off of the exterior door here, so they can come right in, pop right into their bedroom and not bother anybody. I know a lot of times when you have live-in guests that stay for a while, there can be some concerns of, you know, getting in people's way or things like that. So we'll pop out to the porch here. Gorgeous saltwater pool. The saltwater system was just replaced in the pool. Pool was resurfaced, pool deck painted. We have a utility area here. Doors could be put up here so you're not exposing this, but you have the sink. You've got propane tanks. There's wiring so that you can have a generator that will run your refrigerator and major appliances, HVAC. And then out here is our beautiful yard space. I'm going to take you into the garage. You can have some great parties with this large pool. And you can see here we've got two gates on the wall fencing that will allow you to pull your vehicles in. And the first thing on the garage is this incredible workshop. So this workshop does have a air conditioning unit. It does have electricity, really good space. It's got its own panel box for power, and then on the outside of the shop is where you'll find the 220 outlet. Over here, just off of the pool, we have a beautiful storage area for the pool. Pool equipment's in here and lots of extra storage for any of your pool or outdoor needs, toys, anything you might have for the family to enjoy. That back door there so you can get around to the back of the garage for maintenance and upkeep. And then here we have two garage bays. And a very nice garage space with everything from a built-in hangers for your bike racks, for your bikes, to shelving. I mean, just, again, great storage. Around here to the side is just a nice little covered area for the trash receptacles and miscellaneous items. So 1/2 acre of land, views from the front yard of the Gulf of Mexico. When the fireworks are happening, when the city's doing the fireworks, you're seeing those from your own yard. Once a month, there are special events that take place, music concerts at the Sunset Beach. The Sunset Beach is just a hop and a skip from here. You can see it right from this property, so you can walk, you can take your golf cart, you can, of course, ride your bikes or drive. This place has everything that you could want for lifestyle in Florida. So we'd love to show you this property in person. Please reach out to me and my team. We're with eXp Realty, and we're the RES Luxury Group, bringing you white glove service and red carpet treatment because your satisfaction is our guarantee. You can reach us at 352-794-1426. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this great place.